Continue?
Yeah.
Jack, this is the final deck. Jule and Namaste everybody, and welcome to the city of Leh at night. ठीक है ना? ऐसे करके जाना, ऐसे करके। कहाँ से? अरे बोले क्या हुआ? हमने कहाँ लेके आए?
कुछ देखने के इस चक्कर में जिंदगी और मौत से खेल बैठे। हम कहाँ से चढ़े? हम वहाँ
ऊपर से चढ़े, ऊपर से। Prayer flags, where is it? Yeah. Wow, looks nice man. नागालैंड वाले sunflower खाओ ले चूर।
ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना, वो क्या कहते हैं पैरानॉर्मल, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन वाले होते हैं ना। वैसे यहाँ पे लग रहा था, यहाँ पे लग रहा था।
So good evening everyone. We are somewhere in the mountains, outskirts of the Leh town. We came up to take some night time lapse or long exposure of the Leh town from the mountains, and I think we took the wrong turn and we were supposed to go to the next mountain, and it's very steep out here. So we were climbing up, it was very difficult, and we thought it's just close by, and we were just walking and we are already halfway, and it's getting even difficult to reach there. So now we are planning to go backward. I can film while going down and you will realize how difficult it is. So it's like anything for the short. So we are going back, and we don't have the shoe. Like even me, I'm wearing some like casual shoe or running shoe, not meant for this terrain. It's like a desert. It's very muddy and it's very slippery. If one falls and slip, you are down there. And like, we are way up, and it's all stone, and one might get hurt. It will be fatal, definitely. So there is no proper trail. It's all raw. There's no proper trail to reach there. So that's why we are going back, and yeah, I'll show you guys the trail that we came up with, how difficult it is. Chalo bhai chalte. Markina, look at the shoe he is wearing. He was just sitting at home. We just like we call him to come meet us, and he's struggling now. So मत गिरना भाई, आराम से जाना, आराम से। ऐसे करना, मोबाइल ना लेफ्ट साइड पकड़ो, अगर आप गिरेगा ना फिर राइट साइड से मिट्टी को पकड़ सकते हैं ऐसे। लाइन
हम कहाँ से, यहाँ से आए थे?
यही से है। So guys, just look at this. This is very difficult. So we are two of us here, and two of my friend Varun and Arif, they are up there. Varun, light karna, light. Wave your lights. Yeah, they are up there. They are way up there. If you can see the lights, those two lights. Oh, one is the moon, and another one is our friends. Two of them. So this is that's the Leh down. This is very steep. Yeah, there are no cracks, nothing to hold on. It's just like small stones and sand. And when the wind comes, like the wind is blowing, the dust is all over our faces. And during daytime, we can see the small cyclones. Imagine this is a local guy. He's struggling. I mean, you can imagine the struggles. I mean, the wrong turn that we have taken. आपका सोल मजबूत है ना? मेरा भी इस तेरेल गिले नहीं है, लेकिन सोल मेरा सॉफ्ट है, इसलिए थोड़ा आसान है। चलो मेरे पैर पे चलो, पैर पे लगाओ मेरे पैर। पहला लेफ्ट पहले इसको मजबूत करो, फिर लेफ्ट पे लेफ्ट लेग अच्छे से चलेगी, क्योंकि वो लेफ्ट लेग इसको करो, पहले इसको करो, फिर लेफ्ट, इसको करो, फिर चलो नेक्स्ट करो। ठीक है ना? ऐसे ऐसे करके जाना, ऐसे ऐसे करके। ये इसको करो, इसको करो, इसको करो, इसको मेरे पैर को, ठीक है ना? एंड देन oh we have plants एक फूल मिला हम लोग को ये ठीक है, स्लोप है, ये मजबूत है। चलो So actually we were planning on climbing up this mountain today, but unfortunately we had some shoot. It was all of a sudden. We were shooting like since 3 in the evening, and we were too late, and while we were returning it was already 9th, and we just thought like let's just go and take some night shots. So let me show you. So this is Leh, like this side, this one is Leh, but I can little bit outskirt, not very outskirt, but like edges of the town, and that is the main town. And just there we have this very point where we can see the whole view of this Leh town. And so we are planning to go down there, somewhere down there is a road. We will drive halfway, and there's a lights. So how there are houses, and there's a palace, there's a Stoke Palace, and we will climb up from there. Let's see, it might be difficult, it might be easy, but I think we'll try and see if possible. Yeah, so that's the car going by, that's where we are going down. Once in a while you should take up the challenge, you should do something which you haven't done before. It can be anything. Look at this. I don't know what's the correct word to boot up. This is sand. Like it's like a stone dust. And we have a plant. I don't know what plant is this. Is the plants. It's all like it's like a desert. No plants, nothing. Yeah, we have another plant, a little bigger. It has a thorns. Yeah. It's like every rose has its thorn. It's like every night. Wait, are you guys sleeping or like I don't know? Do you sleep at all? So these guys are dead or sick? Just kidding. I don't know how do they even survive. I don't think they even receive water. Like here, like it hardly rains. I don't know when was the last time they saw the rain. भाई यहाँ पे बारिश कब हुआ था last?
इससे पहले साल हुआ।
इससे पहले मतलब कितने दिन के बाद? 1 week, 2 weeks?
2-3 हफ्ता हो गया।
2-3 हफ्ता हो गया। See?
ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया।
फिर बारिश आता है। हाँ। So we are climbing down. It looks easier. I think this is the. I'm sure like somebody might have come halfway somewhere. और मजा लेके कहाँ से है? अरे बोले क्या हुआ? कहाँ लेके आए?
कुछ देखने के इस चक्कर में जिंदगी और मौत से खेल बैठे। मजा आया।
फिर वहाँ तो पहुँचना पड़ेगा. If we don't reach it, we will regret. What do you think?
Where? So why did we come back then?
No. The plan is like we go down we drive back halfway down there. वहाँ पे खा रहे हैं ना? वहाँ से it will be close by. So वहाँ से climb करते हैं.
Like we can
you
go
saw
from another place, like जहाँ पे वो bridge था ना?
No, I don't want to trust you anymore. I mean, this is absolutely वो है. Yeah, let's climb down. गाड़ी से जाके बीच में से बाला से ना कहीं से आती है. Let's figure out. चलो. I mean, like we have already thought about it. I mean, if you don't do it tonight. I mean, like we will regret.
ये कौन सा रोड जा रहा है?
Should we try our luck again? There's a trail.
हमने फॉलो किया था, जो हमने फॉलो किया था वही।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, हम दोनों आए थे, जो हम लोग आए थे यहाँ नहीं आए, ये पत्थर भी नहीं था आई थिंक।
हम कहाँ से चढ़े? हम वहाँ
ऊपर से चढ़े, ऊपर से।
यहीं से आए हैं वो।
नहीं भाई यहाँ से नहीं आए ना हम लोग ना, ये नहीं था पहले।
दिखाने
Should we try? No, let's just drive back. I mean, it will be easier from
car
there.
till there.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वहाँ से ट्राई करते हैं।
या इसके नीचे से आए हैं ना, आए तो वहीं से होंगे क्योंकि
ऊपर से आए जा रहे हैं, ऊपर से।
वहाँ चलते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ से we'll reach the same place, no?
ये नीचे मत जाना ज़्यादा, ऊपर जा, ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर।
No, no, इधर से इधर।
नहीं ऊपर से आए, दिस इज अ ट्रेल, सी ये रास्ता है, इधर आओ भाई। वापस जा रहे हैं, ऊपर आ जाओ, ये रास्ता है, ये रास्ता है आप। हम लोग ऊपर से चढ़े थे, थोड़ा ऊपर से, ये नहीं है। दिस इज वे डाउन। Arif, you have to improve in navigating the terrain, huh? वहाँ से पहला से जाके किसी का खा रहा है, लेकिन बूझ के ना, बूझ के वहाँ से क्लाइंब कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, मज़ा आया, कोई बात नहीं। ये आ गया, आज की समाचार और आज के कार्यक्रम। आरिफ ने आप पहले कभी नहीं आया है ना?
कहाँ पे?
यहाँ तक आया होगा, यहाँ पे मोनास्ट्री तक, लेकिन
हाँ, यहाँ से ऊपर नहीं आया,
इसलिए
इस वाले साइड से गया हूँ। मतलब वो व्यू पॉइंट के लिए नहीं आए थे, जस्ट मतलब होता है ना ऐसे ही।
ओ सॉरी सॉरी, मैं मार
चश्मा भी नहीं पहना।
बहुत गलत किया आरिफ ने। So this is the Buddha statue. During daytime, the tourists or the local, the people comes here, and there's a race camp. Race camp, a place to see it. Table, bench, everything is very properly set. That's stupa, the white object, not object, white structure is a stupa. And this is the Buddha statue. This is this is the front door, and that's the Buddha top there. You guys should try a long exposure if you want to try. It will be very good. That's the Buddha temple. Oh no, not temple, Buddha. It's very huge actually, and I've been told that it is visible from lay down. Those lights are laid down on the left. Must be very huge because I might have seen, but I didn't notice like it is this place from there. It is huge, very huge. It's pitch dark, and there's a prayer flags. Where is it? Yeah. Wow, looks nice, man. This is a prayer flags. It's windy, but not. It's very windy, but like comparing to the wind here, it's not that strong. It's just normal wind. And There's another small tent here. Inside there is some sort of, yeah. आरिफ ये क्या है? ये आपके सामने
कौन सा
ये
वाला?
ये
इसका तो मतलब काइंड ऑफ स्तूपा जैसे ही है, बट इसमें ये देख रहे हो ना पत्थर, ये लद्दाख के मतलब उसको प्रीशियस स्टोन जिसको कहते हैं,
प्रीशियस स्टोन।
हाँ, ये वाले पूरे जोन में लगे हुए हैं। यहाँ पे भी होगा, यहाँ पे भी होगा, यहाँ पे भी होगा।
ये नदी से कहाँ से आते हैं?
मतलब लाइक माउंटेन से, नदी से मिलता है। एंड स्पेशली दिस
कलरफुल ना, हर कलर।
ये वाला जो दिख रहा है ना, दिस वन, ये वाला हमारे लद्दाख के ऑर्नामेंट्स में भी यूज़ होता है, जो ट्रेडिशनल ऑर्नामेंट्स हो गए उनमें भी यूज़ होता है।
और कुछ anything interesting, or I'm like everything interesting, but anything specific and uniqueness. Look at this color. What do we call marbles?
Marble.
पत्थर ही है ना ये?
These all are stones. Precious
See, it's
stones.
very nicely curved, the precious stones. नागालैंड वाले sunflower खाओले चोर cemetery तक टिक करियो ना होना है। Not funny. I mean, I've heard Nagaland. Some guys have been taking the cemetery for some properties. Elephants. They must have flowers. ये पूरा कोल लग रहा है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कोल से बनाया है।
हाँ, but this is not gold.
Yeah,
मतलब कलर। हाँ, but लगता है, and this is visible from like 10 to 15 किलोमीटर। जो ये स्टैचू है ना, 10 to 15 किलोमीटर दूर से भी ये स्टैचू विजिबल होता है।
आप बोल रहे थे ना लेटाउन से भी दिखाई देते हैं।
हाँ, मतलब जो यहाँ तक ये लाइट जा रहा है ना, like वहाँ से भी बैठ के देखोगे तो you can see the स्टैचू
बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा है। शिमला में भी एक वो क्या टेम्पल, क्या स्टैचू था? हनुमान का।
और सेम मतलब इससे बड़ा फिर नुब्रा में, नुब्रा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इससे बड़ा वाला है।
नुब्रा में मैं मुझे देखा अगर मैं जा रहा है तो।
हाँ,
राइट के रोड के लेफ्ट
रोड के लेफ्ट।
लाइट।
हाँ, अरे आप होल्ड करते हो उसको, थोड़ा बढ़ा दे। अरे where's my mobile? So like I noticed these coins, all these coins. Even this is very huge, and they have decorated with the coins, those artistic this thing, and this is fish. This is a house, not a house, temple. Very artistic, and it's just in front of this Buddha temple. Nice. What else do we have?
That is Gumpa monastery. वहाँ पे
कौन सा?
monastery है। और
Monastery.
ये इसका एंट्रेंस पॉइंट है, मतलब यहाँ से अंदर जा सकते हैं।
Please remove your shoes.
ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना, वो क्या कहते हैं, पैरानॉर्मल, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन वाले होते हैं ना।
वहाँ पे लग रहा था, यहाँ पे सही लग रहा है।
ये वो देखो वो हिंदी वाला बहुत चोस करते हैं ना, वो लोग एक्टिंग करते हैं, so obvious like they are doing it. I mean like बकवास है ये लोग। फेसबुक में बहुत देखने को मिलते हैं।
दोनों मतलब देख के वो फील आ रहा है कि लाइक कुछ ढूंढने आए हम यहाँ पे।
भाई वो देखो, आवाज करेगा फिर ये बात में नहीं देगा फालतू लोग, कुछ करने के लिए नहीं तो सो जाते हो करना आराम से। अरे अंदर जा सकता है ना, जूता निकाल के यहाँ।
अंदर तो बंद होगा।
यहाँ पे तक। So I just wanted to show this like architect, the design of the doors. So my GoPro is in ultra wide, so it's giving the fisheye view. And those artistic, those paintings, it's so nice. I don't know how would people paint like that. Look at this, like small tiny details. So uniform, so symmetrical. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Where's my handsome face? Oh wow. Yeah. Yep. I think we are done, and they have this. Yeah. I don't know much about Buddhist, but like somehow I feel like Hindu is a little bit mix of Hindu. But I have read somewhere at some articles, like not articles, I've seen somewhere like Hindu Buddhist or something like that. And they are found in Indonesia and somewhere like Southeast Asia.
I am also Buddhist Hindu.
Buddhist Hindu. Your mom or
My mom is Hindu, my father is Buddhist.
So like, how do you feel? How do you feel? Like, where do you lean on?
I feel I am in all the religions.
Why don't you marry a Christian or maybe some Muslim? Muslim लोग तो नहीं देंगे, I'm sure like नहीं देंगे ना.
क्यों नहीं?
नहीं देंगे ना, नहीं देंगे बोले.
क्या?
बोले मुस्लिम नहीं शादी करेगी मुझसे.
अगर अब मुझे ये बोलने में वो ऑफेंस लग रहा है. अरे मैं फिर ऑफेंस है बोले. I feel guilty. मुझे जैसा फन हो रहा है. नहीं यहाँ का सुंदर है, मैंने बहुत देखा है. आना पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट दोबारा. But yeah, I think we are heading back. We are doing what we were planning. नीचे हाफ पे चल के वो कर लेते हैं. What time is it? It's how much is it? It's 9:55. It's almost 10. क्या कर दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं.
Yeah.
कल रास्ता में लेके आ जाएगा ये. शर्म नहीं आती है. कल रास्ता में लेके आ गया. मतलब एक कंधा ऐसे फेस कर दिया उसने. बोल रहा था ना 15-20 मिनट लगेंगे ना. We were like, okay, we can go, we can do it, and then we are like, कहाँ है, where are we? What surprise? चलो चलते हैं. टूरिस्ट लोग आता होगा ना दिन में देखने.
And that is Gumpa Monastery.
Gumpa Monastery. Mud house ना? मत से बनते हैं ना.
White mud house.
That's Gumpa. That's from the back side of this statue. Chalo, on to next spot. Let's go. Flecko. This is the entrance. I mean, like, when I get older, stronger. Nice. I think this is a flag. उन लोग का है ना, Buddhist flag है. आप दोनों वीडियो में देखे थे ऐसे flag. It's all about colors, no?
And like this flag man, like different colors, and every color significant different thing. जैसे ये हो गया white हो गया peace को करता है. जैसे red हो गया.
मैंने सुना था.
फिर वैसे yellow हो गया fire को, शायद red एक yellow है, एक fire को करता है. मतलब इन सब का एक अलग अलग significant होगा. और ये वाले flags ज़्यादातर जो high passes हो गए, तो हाँ high passes पे ज़्यादा दिखेंगे, monasteries पे ज़्यादा दिखेंगे, bridges पे ज़्यादा दिखेंगे ये वाले.
हाँ. आपको खराते समय रात ब्रिज में भी बहुत है. But looks nice ना. चलो हो गया, ठीक ज़्यादा हो गया, चलते हैं. This is our car. It's this car is from the like No Old Man. क्या था वरुण? What was the movie name? No Country for Old Men.
Where's the water bottle?
Which one?
In my back.
अच्छा.
चलो on to next spot. चलते हैं. ये अरे ये कुत्ता जो है वो स्ट्रे है क्या?
कौन से ये कुत्ते? हाँ स्ट्रीट.
रात को निकलते हैं ना ज़्यादातर.
रात को मतलब यहीं पे अभी जैसे मोनेस्ट्री है ना, तो यहाँ पे खाना वाना देते होंगे.
So guys, we just came by the palace here. Behind me is the palace, and I think we've come to the second spot. Not the actual second spot. We were planning to go a little up higher, and then I think there's a similar view from here. So we are going a little to the edges somewhere there. They are already heading there, and there's the lights we are going to shoot. And so yeah, let's go. See? Oh. I don't know, I'm just loving it. Actually, I don't know, maybe I'm from Nagaland, and used to climbing here and there. Even my house in my hometown is like, it's very steep, so I'm used to climbing or doing long trek in this. And yeah, beautiful. So we have a tower here, and this is, I don't know, Jio, Airtel, whatever it is, and this is staff rooms, and there's a wall fence, and we're just beyond that. This is steep, so we are at the top. We are walking on the ridge, so there's supposed to be a flag here. Not flag, prayer flags or something. Oh, there's the plants, flowers. See, it's very steep, way down there. Oh, these guys. Yep, better view, similar view from top. This is fine, no?
This is fine.
This is
No
fine.
point going up.
So yellow. Jule and namaste everyone from the city of Leh. And I know if you have been following me in my earlier clips where we were trying to get up there at some spot to get a view of the city of Leh at night, and yeah, this light, this bokeh and this thing. So yeah, we have been trying to climb up there and we couldn't do it, and so we climbed down, and then now we are in the second spot. And so yeah, so this is the shot I've been trying to, or I've been looking forward to capture. And so I'm trying to capture both photo and video, and also to take some night shots, like long exposure of the city and the landscape with these lights. And yeah, I got these ideas of like this very frame, this very visual from one of the series from Netflix, Pablo Escobar. And there's one episode where there's a scene of like Pablo Escobar and his cousin was standing somewhere outskirts of the city, and we can see the bokeh lights of the city in like those circles, and it's called bokeh or bokeh. And I've been trying to capture one of those shots like since long time, and finally today we are able to do it. And we've been trying, and we were supposed to climb some mountains, some high spot like earlier in the evening, but we were busy, and because like two of my friends, they have got some shoot in the city, and we were busy shooting there. And by the time we came home, it was already 9th, and now it's 11th at night. And continue.
Yeah.
Jack, this is the final deck. After the card is full, I forgot to record my audio. Jule and namaste everybody, and welcome to the city of Leh at night. What am I saying? Yeah. So this is the city of Leh at night. We can see the lights and in bokeh, and I have been chasing after this. I've been trying to capture this shot like for a long time. I've been looking forward to, and finally tonight is the time. Tonight is the time that I reveal this very short to you guys, and I got the tricks. I got the tricks from one of the series from Netflix, Pablo Escobar. There is one episode where Pablo Escobar and his cousin is standing somewhere at the outskirts of the city, and they have a shot at night, and we can see the light of the city, like those circle lights in the bokeh or bokeh. And yeah, I've been trying to do it, and then yeah, finally I'm standing here as not Pablo Escobar as myself, but yeah, this visual, I wanted to create this visual and wanted to do it. Yes. So behind the camera, I have my friend Varun, and you have seen in my previous video while we exploring Ladakh, and Arif with the lights, and his brother is with us, and I'm taking all the privilege here, standing in front of the frame, and never mind, I'll be taking some of their photos, and yeah, with same framing or better framing, and yes, so it's 11 at night now, so we've been trying to climb up there, and we couldn't climb up there. You have seen the videos earlier, and we were planning to reach one of the spot, and we thought like there's a shortcut, so we did find a shortcut. Yeah, we did find a shortcut, but again, before reaching that very spot, there's a better, like, you know, we found this similar spot, so where we can see all the view of the city and the lights, so we were happy, so we just stopped here and we are shooting, and we have like 3 cameras. Beautiful city, beautiful landscape. You have seen the previous video, and I'm here to explore more. Like, and tomorrow I have a taxi from Leh to Zanskar around 4 a.m. So I have to get up and move out from Arif's home around 3 and catch the taxi. And it is going to be a very long journey tomorrow. So I'll be taking you guys along. I'll be shooting on the way and do a little bit of vlogging wherever we stop. And before that, I just want to thank Arif and his family for hosting me for 2 nights, and 2 nights is going to be 3 nights. 3 nights, so thank you so much for hosting me. And then I have been like very privileged to have you guys, to know you guys as a friend, as a fellow. And yeah, I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a photographer. I could have done it in my hometown, I could have been in Delhi and somewhere else, but I am in the northern part of India, in Shimla, in Himachal, and getting to know all these fellows. It has been a very good opportunity for me. Now I have friends from all over, like, northern state of India, and okay, let me not go very further into that. But I've been very privileged, and once again, thank you so much, Arif, and to your family. And in fact, his brother is with us, and his younger brother, like, who has been with me like earlier in the video, trying to climb down like from that wrong directions that Arif has led us. So yeah, we are here, and then I think we are done, and I'll just take some long exposure of the city and the landscape and of this Arif, Varun, and his brother, and then we will go down, and yeah, you'll get to see the visual and the photos. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts. One is like Adam, and one is like Video Black Tea. So in both accounts, I upload different kind of photos. One is for portrait, for photo or portrait, and one is for the travel photo contents. Like, it's not very professional. Sometimes I shoot with my mobile and I just put it up, and so I don't get to see like a lot of like unique things, unique structure, person or anything. So I don't post or upload often, but whenever I get something interesting, I try to upload it on Instagram. You follow me on Instagram, and you can understand my work and the work I do. I travel a lot, like in places, and since you are watching on YouTube, I know you have subscribed it, and you have liked my video, you have commented, and thank you so much everyone for watching. Like, if you're watching till this part, so yeah.
Don't forget to click on the bell icon.
So I'm not going to say that, like, कभी नहीं बोलेगा मेरा